Greetings. In this video I want to show you how you can feed your dog, your pup, medication and actually have them consume it. It's not as easy sometimes as it looks. Now Sasha here has to take a medication every morning because she's getting a little bit older like me, and she just urines frequently when she doesn't try to. She'll urine all over the place, so she has to take this medication every morning. So we've tried different things. Hot dogs, you could put the medication into a little hot dog yourself and give it to them. Cheese you can use. Unfortunately, peanut butter you can use. Unfortunately, it's higher in calorie, so you want like an alternative, and they might not like cheese. They might not like hot dogs. So I'm going to show you this product here called the Pill Pocket by Greenies. Now recently my mom has been trying to give her Chihuahua medication. She tries to give her an allergy pill, and she has the most horrible time. And I haven't told her about this product yet because we've been giving Sasha only for a few days, and she loves it. So I want to tell my mom, hey, you need to try this instead of just trying to, force him to take it. So it's fairly easy to use. Now you can get Greenies Pill Pockets on Amazon. I got this 30 count for like $6 or $7. Sometimes they go up to 10 on Amazon. But I'm telling you, it's well worth the money. So the only thing you have to do is get your little treat out here and take your pill. Now this one's kind of big and it is coated, so they're kind of getting smart and actually coating them to where they taste good. And sometimes the dogs will eat it like this if it's got like a food coating on it, but a lot of times they won't. So the only thing you have to do is put it in this little pocket here, as you can see, and then you squeeze it like that to hide the pill. Alright, like that. So let's go ahead and give it to her. Alright, you ready? Go ahead and take the pill. Go ahead and get the pill. There we go. It's just that simple. So I'm going to put a link in the comment section where you can get the Greenies Pill Pocket. I think it's well worth the money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.